Ahoy there, me hearties! It's me, Mario. And guess what time it is today? You guessed it right. Toy of the day time. So, I will show you the toy what I have recently today. You see this right there? So today's toy of the day is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 wind-up tin toys. Yeah. These are really cool vintage like wind-up tin toys. So let's start with the tank first. But first let me put this phone up and there we go. Wait. Ah, that's much better. Let's start with the tank. What would you do with the tank is you wind them up. Hold on. And you let it go. Wait a minute. Let me take off this key. Oh yeah. The key doesn't come off in these vintage wind-up toys. How disappointing. Whoa! Let me get that. Did you guys see that? The tank goes really fast. Let me show you again. Okay. Off you go, tanky tank. See? It goes super fast, like hell. Let me get it. Whoa. Ooh. Yeah. The wheel moves and yeah, that's it. That's all the mechanisms. So on with the next toy. This mouse. Why is mouse orange? Oh, never mind. When you wind up this mouse, watch what happens. Oh gosh! Did you see that? Let me wind it up again. Here you go. Crazy, huh? Crazy toy. Let's move this to the side. Oop. Let's start with the Easter Bunny. Let's wind them up first. Wow, look at that! No. Wrong way, Easter Bunny. He hops! Okay, that was that one. Now to the chickens. 2 chickens. Let's wind them both up. Okay, that's 1. That's 2. Up 2 chickies go. Oh. Okay. Oh dear. These chickens are crazy. These chickens are crazy. So that is 2 chickens. Now last but not least, these 2 frogs. Look at that, they have googly eyes on it. And the one is almost coming out. Let's wind them both up. Okay, that's 1. Okay, that's 2. Off you go. Whoa! Jesus Christ, man. These frogs are jumping like crazy. How insane! Oh. My lord! Come here. Come here, Mr. Froggy. You too. Okay, let's organize it. Okay. 2 frogs. Oh, 2 chickens. 1 bunny. 1 tank. And 1 mouse. There. So yeah. That is 7 Why Not Tin toys.